Recognizing the signs of wear in your trolley bag is essential to prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems. Here are 5 indicators that your trolley bag may require urgent repair. If you notice wobbling, stiffness, or excessive squeaking while maneuvering your bag, it could indicate damaged or misaligned wheels. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further complications and ensure smooth movement. Sticking, jammed, or wobbly handle can make navigating airports and streets challenging. These issues suggest that the handle mechanism needs attention to restore proper functionality. Stuck zippers, those that won't close or have broken teeth, can compromise the security of your belongings. Addressing zipper problems promptly is crucial to prevent potential loss of items. Rips, tears, or fraying in the bag's material can worsen over time, compromising the bag's ability to protect your items from the elements. Early repair of fabric damage can prevent further deterioration. Cracks, bends, or broken parts in the trolley bag's frame can weaken its overall structure. Addressing frame issues promptly is essential to maintain the bag's integrity and functionality. If you observe any of these signs, it's advisable to consult a professional repair service to restore your trolley bag's condition and ensure it remains a reliable travel companion.
deLeatherCraft is India's premier luxury leather restoration brand, specializing in the cleaning, color correction, repair, and restoration of high-end leather goods. From designer handbags and shoes to jackets and accessories, we provide expert craftsmanship to revive and preserve your cherished items.